Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. The Lenze inverter being tested in the video came into ERD from a pharmaceutical company and had been used in their packaging equipment. Units like these are used to run standard AC motors in several industries and are typically seen in automated facilities. This particular inverter had an input short, causing the entire unit to fail and halting packaging production. We performed a complete rebuild, replacing any blown capacitors and open resistors, and then ran a final test to make sure that the unit works when it returns to the customer. ERD has been working on Lenze units for almost 3 decades, and we strive to provide the best possible repair to all of our customers. So if you need a Lenze inverter repaired, call or visit our website for your quote today.